Are you looking for the best shave cream on Amazon? Oh, we've got this right here. Figured I'd show this stuff off to you guys today. So let's go ahead and grab that Mike Vance knife right there so we can open this bad boy on up and see what we got on the inside here. If y'all find this video helpful, definitely appreciate you guys. Look at that over for me right there. So you get, this is the 2-pack right here. I believe you can get it in 1, 2, maybe 4 more. And this is like a creamy type of shave cream right here. It's kind of that classic barbershop style. So I got my razor, I got some water, I got a rag. Let's go ahead and shave the neck right here and kind of see how this stuff works. First of all, the smell of it is very nice. I can't describe like exactly what scent that is. Definitely like that clean shaven, hydrating, and a little bit of like a muskiness to it. It's nice. It's not like overly powerful too, in my opinion. Let's see, let me go ahead and put this right here so I don't mess up my shirt. And let me grab my water, and I'm just gonna take my hand and just want to wet the hairs just a little bit like that. Okay, that feels good. Now let me grab, I honestly don't know how much to grab, because usually we're used to like, you know, the aerosol style, or if you have like a brush or whatever, you know, you have the soap thing and you mix it with some water on there. So I'm just going to grab a little nougat right here and we'll see how this spreads on the neck. Ooh, it's soft and creamy. God, it's like a lotion almost. It feels nice. I think that might be like just for my neck area. I think that's all I'm gonna need right there. And I can definitely see how this makes for a nice smooth shave because it moisturizes it so much. All right, let's go ahead and grab the razor here. Yeah, that's working really well. Very smooth. Not getting any razor rash, which is awesome. I don't know if y'all can see. Like this razor's getting all the hair off of there too, which is nice. So I know I'm getting a good clean shave here. And it smells amazing. Man, this stuff's gonna last forever too, because y'all saw how little I use. I mean, just a little tip of the finger there. So to do the entire face, you probably need maybe 2 fingers or so and just rub it all around and then give yourself a nice shave. Man, I like to go up as well just to make sure I get it nice and close. I don't feel like any razor rash or anything is happening. It doesn't have any like burning sensation for me as well. If y'all are wondering why I'm looking up here, it's because I'm trying to shave and I got a monitor right there to be able to see myself like a mirror. But yeah, I mean, this is 16 fluid ounces in here, 453 milliliters. So this is going to last a long time, considering you get 2 of them in the pack here as well, because you just need so little. That is awesome. Let's see, directions. Let's see what that says right here. Let's see, we got some junk right there. Let me get that off. Rinse face with water and massage shaving cream into the skin. After shaving, rub the remainder of the cream into the face as a moisturizer and pat dry. Repeat if necessary. Oh, so it actually is used as a moisturizer as well. So you can just simply rub it on in. If you want to use your fingers too, I guess you could do that. And then you pat dry with your rag right there. Oh yeah, man, it feels great. Smells good. Yeah, y'all definitely need to go and grab y'all some of this if this is something that you're looking for. I believe that they might make it in either different sizes, like larger and smaller tubs, or you can get like different amounts. You definitely go and check out the product listing below, and they'll have all the different options that you can choose from on there. That way you guys can go and pick out the one that's going to be the best for you. But y'all definitely should go and grab y'all some of this if this is something that you're looking for. Hey, y'all, let me know if this was helpful. If it was, there's that helpful right there. Definitely appreciate you guys hooking that up for me. Y'all go and add this to your cart. Thank you to these guys for sending this to me so I could show this stuff off to y'all and do a little shave with y'all. Thank y'all for watching, and Dad out.